He was always late, late to work, late to friends, late to life. But when Daniel finally learned the meaning of better late than never, everything changed. This story is full of everyday idioms and useful expressions that make English come alive. It was a chilly autumn morning in London. The streets were wet from last night's rain, and the air smelled of coffee and fresh bread from the nearby bakery. Daniel, a 25 years old software engineer, rushed out of his apartment, already late for work. He had overslept again. Daniel was known among his friends as Mr. Last Minute. He was always late. Late to meetings, late to parties, late to deadlines. He often joked, "I'm not late, I'm just fashionably delayed." But deep down, he knew his habit was hurting him. That morning, as he ran to catch the bus, he thought, maybe I should change, but is it too late to fix myself? At work, Daniel's manager gave him a serious look. "Daniel, you're talented, but you're always behind schedule. If you don't improve, you might lose opportunities." The words hit him like a cold shower. He realized that being late wasn't just about missing buses, it was about missing chances in life. That evening, Daniel met his old university friend, Sophia, at a coffee shop. She was glowing with success. She had started her own company, traveled to different countries, and seemed truly happy. Daniel sighed. "Sophia, I feel sad. I wasted so much time. Maybe it's too late for me to change." Sophia smiled and replied, "Better late than never, my friend. Life doesn't have a deadline for growth. It can start today." Her words echoed in Daniel's mind. That night he couldn't sleep. He kept thinking, better late than never. But what if I fail? What if people laugh at me? He remembered another saying, "Rome wasn't built in a day. Change takes time." The next morning, instead of hitting snooze, Daniel woke up early. He made a to-do list, something he had never done before. He wrote, 1. Arrive at work on time. 2. Finish project before deadline. 3. Call mom. 4. Exercise for 30 minutes. At first, it felt strange, but slowly, day by day, he started keeping promises to himself. 1 month later, his manager noticed the difference. "Daniel, you've improved a lot. Keep it up." A few weeks later, Daniel faced a real test. His company was preparing for an important presentation to investors. He was responsible for finishing the final report. In the past, he would have procrastinated until the last minute, but this time he reminded himself, better late than never doesn't mean I should always be late. It means I should start, even if I'm behind. He stayed up late, organized the date, and delivered the report on time. His manager was impressed and said, "You've turned things around, Daniel. Keep this up and you'll go far." Hold on a second. If you've enjoyed it so far, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you won't miss the rest of the story. As months passed, Daniel noticed something remarkable. His confidence grew. He was no longer Mr. Last Minute. He became someone who could be trusted. Friends started asking him for advice, and he laughed, remembering how unreliable he used to be. He realized that the proverb wasn't just about being late, it was about never giving up. Even if you start late, you can still change your life. One day, Sophia invited him to give a short talk at her company about time management. Daniel laughed nervously. Me? Talking about time management? That's ironic. But he accepted. During the talk, he shared his journey and ended with the proverb, better late than never. I was late to learn discipline, but I learned, and that made all the difference. Daniel understood that starting late is still better than never starting at all. Life doesn't punish you for being late, it punishes you for giving up. It's never too late to change, to grow, or to chase your dreams. Better late than never. Useful expressions and idioms in the story. Fashionably late, joking about being late. Hit him like a cold shower. Sudden realization. Rome wasn't built in a day. Big changes take time. Keep promises to yourself. Self-discipline. Throw things around. Improve a bad situation. Fill your heart with warmth. Feel loved and happy. Made all the difference. Had a huge positive impact. Remember, it's never too late to change, to grow, or to chase your dreams. Better late than never. If you enjoyed this story and learned new idioms, don't forget to like, share, and keep practicing English every day. Your future self will thank you.